Good action. Whoa, big one. Whoa, good job. What's this, Thomas the Tank? We're going crabbing again, and I've got Anthony,
Hello.
the Crab King, on board. We have a special friend from France, Aurelie. Welcome aboard. Awesome. So I've got a little ladylike on board. Hopefully we get some crabs. What do you reckon, Anthony?
I reckon we'll get at least 10.
That's the way I want it. Let's go. Alrighty, so I've just got some old fish heads and guts and grease off the rod. Oh, that's a bit of a head and calamari and all this other fish offal. First net. We've got to count all the nets because I'm pretty bad at counting. I keep forgetting.
Okay, that's one.
Okay. Got him. How's it feel?
My hand's slipping.
Oh, nothing. Good job. Bit of lady luck. Let's see how we go. She's doing pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, no crab. Okay.
Every time it's light out, it feels like it has a crab.
Maybe we're looking at a fish shop. Do the crab dance.
What is it?
We need to do the crab dance. The crab dance.
Okay.
Come on, we need it. And I'll lead you to do crab dance. See? There's just nothing out of it. Yeah. Hey, he got one. Whoa, he got one. Beer o'clock.
Huh?
Beer o'clock. Put it on the board, on the boat.
Okay.
Well, we got one crab. Woo! Lucky, lucky hat. So let's put them here. Put this straight away.
You just ripped his leg off?
No, he's alright. So one crab done the job. Let's quickly measure him up. Oh yeah, he's a goodie.
Nice!
There we go.
Woo!
You want to say hello?
Hello!
Okay, hopefully we catch more. Woo!
Leave the hat.
So it was the first pull after we moved twice and the crab came up.
He said no life and then there was life.
So that beer o'clock cap really done the put some karma on board. Good job. Come on, Aurelie, show us. Come on, Napoleon. Good action. Whoa. Okay, we bring up. Then we move. Whoa. Okay. Yep. Anthony. Good one.
Oh, I was gonna get it.
Yeah? Okay. Small one. Yeah, his size.
Yeah!
Okay.
Woo! Can fishing. Got it. Yeah. Can I pull it? I've never.
Oh, this is the big one here. Oh, we got one.
Woo!
Good size.
That one?
That's our third crab. All pretty much the same size.
Please don't be too small. Please.
Nice colour, isn't it? Blue.
Nice. It's a bit of pepper.
Yeah, he's in.
Yay!
Go, Anthony, let's go.
Ooh!
Go, go, go.
Ooh! Yeah, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2.
Oh, big one. Woohoo!
Whoa, that's a big one.
Quick, the crab are here.
He's oversized. Oh, the bait fell off.
Oh my god. Hey, 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 hey.
Put the bait back on.
Give me the bait.
Okay. Ew, it's a head.
Quick. It's all happening. That's a big one. Quick.
Yeah. Ew.
Good old butterfish and King George whiting frames.
He looks like he's playing dead. He's smart. He's playing dead.
Oh, he's upside down, and that's how you tame a crab. You put him upside down.
What do you mean tame a
Hey,
crab?
he beat himself. It is a haircut. Look, Anthony, haircut. This is a good haircut. This is a good haircut.
Let's do that at the end.
All
to
right,
make the
big one,
thumbnail.
huh?
Can we all be on the thumbnail with crabs on our head?
Yeah.
They're full crabs. Ah, stop, stop, stop.
Oh, good girl. What?
The tipping off.
No, I told you, stay on the other side. Shh, hang on, Ollie, you're going to catch one.
Look.
Come on. Oh, nearly. Oh. Good job.
You can do it, Orly.
Oh.
Close.
Yeah. Maybe he was in and he come out. Good job. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big heavy one. She's straining. Oi! Good job. Nice. High five. Oh,
Oh yeah, do you get it 5?
that's it. Nice one. Okay. Crab must be right here. Hey, hey. Ah, it's a little bit small, this one. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah!
Very nice.
Are you happy? Yeah. For your first crab in your life. Yeah.
Welcome to Australia. Oh, another one. Heavy? Big crab. 2 crab. Oh.
What's that, Ellie?
Okay, throw in. All action. There's another one maybe. Maybe you fall in the water. Oh, okay.
Can I do the next one?
Yeah, you can do the next one. It's the heavy one.
Oh, it's stuck on something. Oh,
No,
oh.
that's the big one. Probably got a 20 kilo jellyfish. Easy now, easy now, easy now. Go, 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 go. Oh, 0. Whoa! Woo! Big.
Whoa! I got that big one.
Hang on.
It's eating something.
We're going to throw a pot out straight away.
It's eating something. Look at it.
Big.
It's humongous.
So we're going to throw the crab pot here. Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Look what
Oh, look at that. That's a beauty.
Wait, is he oversized?
You reckon? Oh, really? Good size, huh?
Yeah.
Kiss him?
No! The man who kissed the crab and then was the handsomest person in the world.
That's a nice one. Alrighty. Slowly getting a couple. Ooh. You want a drink? Put your hand in the crab. Maybe the crab have a drink.
Let him finish his snack.
Here we go. Here we go. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, nothing. That's the big rope. Technique. It's all about technique. Do we have a crab? Do we have crab? No crab. Oh no. Bad technique. Okay, try it back. Sleeping? What's this, Thomas the Tank? Sesame Street.
Stop it, or
Fat cat.
I'm gonna drop this, you know.
You're gonna wear yourself. Whoa, 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 whoa! Nothing.
Got it. Don't you dare say any more funny stuff.
Come on, Thomas the Tank. Alrighty guys, that's it for another episode. Crabs galore.
Captain Hook, he has one arm.
Captain Hook, you're actually wearing one. And Aurelie all the way from France. Well done, thanks very much.
Yeah.
You done well. Oh! Oh, she nearly lost it. Okay, au revoir.
Oh no, I broke his leg.
Awesome. Righto, look at these big king size crabs. Anthony asked me, what does king size mean? What does it mean? Big
Big,
and
yeah.
fat and healthy. Alright, so King Dom and King Anthony, we're going to clean these crabs.
Whoa, this arm's bigger than this arm.
Yep. Like fresh crab like that is just so easy. You just pull out the carcass from there and you just pull the back bit. There you go. Right.
Where are the arms?
I'll get rid of all the gills and the mustard, pack up guts in the Swan River. I recommend to do it regardless. I do it because I don't like eating crab guts. Crab shit. Right, I am doing a marinara. It's by popular demand in our family, so nice generous serving of olive oil, throwing the chopped up garlic, chili.
Sure.
I know just the place for some fresh chili.
Why not?
Big one or small one?
Big one.
There we go. No, that one.
Oh, that's small.
Go. Oh, some of the homemade salsa. It's liquidy, which is very good for marinaras. The whole lot. Pinch of salt to start off with. Righto, time to throw in these big dinosaur king-size crabs into the mix. And that will slowly steam away for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. Throw in some fresh herbs too. Alrighty, time for the linguine. It's probably 3/4 cooked. Just let it suck up all that beautiful Beautiful sauce. Oh, the aroma is really hitting me. Bit more oil, extra virgin. Alrighty, so this is definitely done. All that sauce has been sucked into that linguine, and the crab, well, that just looks divine. I'll do a quick taste test on the linguine. Got no fork. Oh yeah, al dente, beautiful. And the crab, well, it would take me a while to chuck it, get a whole chunk out of this, but fresh crab, believe it or not, I haven't had fresh crab in a while, and all that just flaking off. Oh. Yeah, nice.
Fish, tucker.
See you next time. If
Fish,
you haven't done so yet, give us a like, subscribe.
Man.
Don Petit.
Fish,
This
tucker.
is what it's all about.
Tucker, the fish,
Yummo.
taco man.
Crab fishing life.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker man.
We'll pack them up.
Fish, tucker, the fish, taco man.